Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind of Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Dina.
And we're here at
Wisconsin Dells.
That's right, folks. We're here in Wisconsin Dells for one day. Now, when you think of Wisconsin Dells, you're thinking water parks, theme parks, and, well, more water parks. But we're going to do something a little bit different on this one day. We're actually checking into Staybridge Suites. We did make a detailed video on this hotel, so be sure to check out our other videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and check out Wisconsin Dells in one day. All right, first stop is Booby Trap escape rooms. We're going to be doing a slime escape room. It's designed for kids.
Dr. Goo needs your help to get the factory up and running again. It's up to you and your fellow researchers to solve the puzzles and challenges to find the 5 ingredients to make slime. Once all 5 ingredients are mixed together in the slime machine, you'll get the experience of making your own custom slime to take home.
So that's our hotel right there at Staybridge, and we are going to be eating right here, guys, at Buffalo Phil's, right across. And then right on the back side is Knuckleheads. We're going to be checking that out as well. And then escape room was just right around the corner. Actually, escape room was right there. So they got a train that delivers your food. How cool is that? Your train arrived. All right, so we got the Baby Shark non-alcoholic drink right here. It's pretty nice. You get the souvenir cup to take home. Got more trains on the backside. Oh, it's upstairs too. This place is huge. All right, so Knuckleheads is connected. Welcome to Knuckleheads. This place is actually really cool with so much to do. 80,000 square foot of indoor entertainment space featuring a jumping pillow, trampoline park, bowling, full arcade, go-karts, mini golf, and so much more. So let's check it out. All right, we're at the trampoline park. You do need to get these grip socks. They do sell them. Without that, they won't let you enter. But here's that trampoline park. There's a lot. It's actually huge. No one's here right now. It's a weekday, so it's kind of nice. And then you got some basketball hoops on this side as well. These are always fun. So you got different size, heights, depending on how high you want to jump and how tall you are. And they also got something here too, big airbag. Well, there you folks have it, Wisconsin Dells. If you guys have any questions about our trip, be sure to put it in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.